step into the tantalizing world of tomorrow's cuisine, where precision dances with taste and innovation transforms every experience. Welcome to Tech Revolt, your ultimate guide to unraveling the wonders of food processing technology. In today's episode, we're diving headfirst into the age-old debate, machines versus humans. So, fasten your seatbelts, because this journey promises to be nothing short of electrifying. The chili sorting machine stands as a testament to modern engineering marvels. With precision and speed, it segregates chilies based on size, color, and quality, ensuring only the finest products reach the market. This automated process not only enhances efficiency, but also minimizes wastage, making it an indispensable tool for chili producers worldwide. Egg cracking machine. Gone are the days of manual egg cracking. The egg cracking machine has revolutionized the way eggs are processed. With its seamless operation, it swiftly cracks eggs while ensuring minimal shell fragments, thus streamlining the production process in bakeries, restaurants, and food factories. This innovation exemplifies the marriage of technology and culinary excellence. This marvel of engineering revolutionizes how kitchens, both commercial and industrial, handle the slicing and dicing of various ingredients. With its unparalleled precision, the GS102 transforms fruits, vegetables, and even meats into perfectly sized pieces, enhancing both the presentation and quality of dishes. Its high-speed belt and adjustable blades ensure efficiency and adaptability, meeting the diverse needs of culinary creators. This machine isn't just a tool, it's a gateway to unleashing creativity, enabling chefs to explore new textures and flavors, all while maintaining consistency and reducing manual labor. From delectable donuts to irresistible chocolate bars, confectionery processing lines cater to the sweet cravings of consumers worldwide. These automated systems handle every step of the production process, from mixing and molding to baking and packaging, ensuring consistency and quality in every treat. The synergy of technology and craftsmanship is evident in every confection churned out by these state-of-the-art lines. For candy manufacturers, precision and speed are essential, and the fully automated processing line delivers on both fronts with finesse. From shaping and coating to wrapping and labeling, this comprehensive system handles the entire candy production process seamlessly. By eliminating manual intervention, it enhances productivity and minimizes errors. Setting new standards in candy manufacturing. Filleting salmon is a delicate art, requiring skill and precision. The salmon filleting machine takes on this task with utmost precision, swiftly extracting fillets with minimal wastage. Its advanced sensors and cutting mechanisms ensure consistent results. Catering to the demands of seafood enthusiasts and industry professionals alike. With this machine, the journey from sea to table is smoother than ever before. In the realm of meat processing, efficiency is paramount. And the meat slicer machine rises to the occasion with its cutting-edge technology. Whether slicing deli meats, poultry, or cured meats, this machine delivers uniform slices with impeccable accuracy. Its ergonomic design and intuitive controls make it a favorite among chefs and butchers, streamlining the meat preparation process with ease. If you liked till now, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. The ReX Technology hanging technology offers unparalleled flexibility for sausage production. This innovative process ensures high productivity and adaptability for all types of casings, natural, synthetic, or collagen. The filling is done efficiently with precise portions and maximum speed using the ReX vacuum filler. Through the vane cell conveyor, products are gently handled while residual air is completely removed, ensuring top-notch sausage quality. For casing loading, the system allows manual placement on the linking tube or automated loading for various casing types. Quick casing changes are facilitated by the AKS65, optimizing production efficiency with minimal downtime. From birthdays to weddings, cakes are synonymous with celebration, and the cake production line brings these sweet moments to life with efficiency and finesse. From mixing and baking to decorating and packaging, this automated system handles every aspect of cake production with precision. Whether crafting classic layer cakes or intricate fondant creations, this production line delivers perfection with every slice. Pineapples are a tropical delight, and the pineapple processing line ensures that their journey from farm to table is seamless. From peeling and coring to slicing and packaging, this comprehensive system handles every step of the process with efficiency. By minimizing manual labor and maximizing output, it elevates pineapple processing to new heights, meeting the demands of consumers worldwide. In the era of automation, advanced robot packaging systems are revolutionizing the way products are packed and shipped. These robotic marvels are adept at picking items of various shapes and sizes and placing them with precision in trays or containers. With their speed and precision, they streamline the packaging process, ensuring products reach their destination intact and on time. Minced meat is a versatile ingredient used in many culinary creations, and the minced meat production line ensures its availability in abundance. From grinding and mixing to portioning and packaging, this automated system handles every step of the process with efficiency. Its hygienic design and strict quality controls ensure that every batch meets the highest standards, delighting consumers with flavorful dishes. Cookies are timeless treats beloved by people of all ages, and the cookies production line brings these delights to fruition with precision and speed. From dough mixing and shaping to baking and packaging, this automated system churns out cookies of various shapes, sizes, and flavors with ease. Its modular design allows for customization, catering to the diverse preferences of cookie enthusiasts worldwide. Cupcakes epitomize indulgence, and the cupcake processing line transforms batter into delectable treats with finesse. From depositing and baking to decorating and packaging, this automated system handles every aspect of cupcake production seamlessly. Its versatility and efficiency make it a valuable asset to bakeries and confectionaries, ensuring that every cupcake is a work of art. The evolution of food processing machinery has ushered in a new era of efficiency, consistency, and innovation. From chili sorting machines to cupcake processing lines, each piece of equipment plays a pivotal role in shaping the culinary landscape. As technology continues to advance, so too will the capabilities of these machines, further revolutionizing the way we produce and enjoy food. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the content, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Until the next time, take care.